Okay.
Yeah.
So what we need for this section, for the portfolio section, is this file. So I'll send the link also to the group, or you can also look at it. So I'm typing it. HTML5 massively. So please look at my screen where I show you the templates you need to download, what you need to download. So we just need two things. This one and Visual Studio Code. So this is what we're using for our portfolio. This template. So all this, like the one we did now, data science, salary, I can just use an image here and add a link of that project to this. So once you click, take you to that project. So this is the site templates we're going to be using. So we're using this template. So you download it. You see download here. Just click on download and save it. Save it. Am I communicating? This is what I want us to use. Mm, should I move on? Or do I need to paste the link to the group?
Yes, please paste the link.
Done. So download that template. Download that template.
Are we going to unzip it?
Just download and keep for me. We'll work on it together.
Okay.
Mm. Just download and
Okay.
keep. So the next thing you need to get again is Visual Studio Code. For those that know a little of programming, you should know what I'm saying. So you download this one also.
Hello, Mr. Dan. I'm
Yes, sir.
trying to download it. I can't download it now.
You can download it.
You say we should download the Volkswagen, right?
You say what?
Is it not the image you wanted us to download?
Not image you. Look at my screen. Can you see my screen? Let me show
Yes.
you. Can you see my let me show you what you download. I've sent you the two links of what I want you to download. So
Send the link.
I've sent the two links. So look at my screen. This is what you have download here. It, once you click on it, it will come like a zip file.
Okay, I have downloads there. They wrote it 559
Yes, yes.
84.
That is how many people that have downloaded that file. So you can download it. You've done that.
I'm on it.